So, why did we decide to start with just $1,000 this time? Well, the reason is quite simple. When you have capital to trade with, you need to consider how best to utilize it. Essentially, one of the best ways is to risk a small amount to potentially gain a larger sum. In practical terms, this means we have the option to go all in. That is, we trade with a very large trading account and high risk. The other alternative is to trade numerous small accounts, spreading the risk across many different accounts. Anyone familiar with the name Warren Buffett knows that his recipe involves spreading risk across different solutions. And that's precisely what we'll be doing in this system. We'll start with a single system traded with a base capitalization of $1,000. Once we achieve good results, we can then clone this system. You can think of it somewhat like cell division. One system becomes two become four, and so on. That's the concept we want to introduce here. If this is something you might be interested in, then we'll see you in the next video.